Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. We are going to do an unboxing video. So welcome again to my YouTube channel. We have 5 new movies just now coming out. And we got this U-Haul. We got John Wick Chapter 4 4K. And then All You God. No, All You Dear God, It's Me, Margaret. And then we got the book club, the next chapter. We got another 4K release in Scream 6. And The Night of the Zodiac and Bruce is Afraid by Joaquin Phoenix. Yes. Now who is ready to? What are we going to do to unbox the first one? I think we should do the one I just got from my dad first. Put those on the side. I think this one should be the first one to unbox. This one, I love the layout. 2, Ghostface is one of my all-time favorite franchise. I like the opening here from the mouth of a Ghostface. Eve Campbell and everyone else, Courteney Cox. Courteney Cox plays Monica in Friends, which I'm still watching. So yes, this is also here. The 4K release, digital code, and it's still in the factory sealed. So let's go ahead and open my favorite movie franchise of all times. Scream 6. If you notice, it's the same thing as the slip cover. And it is 122 minutes. Bigger, bloodier, and scarier. I love my franchise. Up next will be my steelbook, which I'm going to wait until I get that. But for right now, I am ready to watch Scream 6. I have all the Screams, and I got Scream 6. So, put that down, and let's open this baby. See what's inside. Now, I might make a mess, but that's okay. I should have a little knife, a little something to really, so I won't damage this amazing case. It's giving me such a hard time. Come on, plastic. There we go. So, everybody. Sometimes this plastic can be really tricky to get off. Okay, 4K. High def. Snap. Here's your 4K. You can see your artwork. Here's your digital code. If anyone wants their copy. Let's see what's over here. No Blu-ray. That's okay. If my Blu-ray player does not take 4K. Only my 4K player. And there you have it for unboxing Scream 6. Let's do John Wick 4K, Chapter 4. Here's the spine on the reversible side, the front, the back. Thank you from Shallow from Lionsgate Movies. I'm a big fan of them. It is 169 minutes. If you want to pause the video, you can also read the movie itself. I thought this was the Steelbook edition, but I'm going to wait until I do. Other side. We got the 4K Blu-ray digital. Now this has to be a little slit over here. That'd be easy to take off. You see how easy that is? Now I got a whole lot of 4K movies. New ones, older ones. Newer ones, so I can choose which one I watch. Here's the spine. Here's the back. Let's hit that click, shall we? Yay, look at this. I have the same thing in Blu-ray. All I need now is the Fiscal Media and a Steelbook, but I'm not going to hunt too wild. Here's your John Wick Chapter 4, 4K, and Blu-ray digital code. Now you see nothing on the back. Let's spin this around a little bit. And there you have it. We have blue for Blu-ray, and we have a 4K with this kind of color on the disc. Now that'll work. Sorry everybody. It's nice flat. And let's put this back in. And here's your code. If anyone wants your copy, there you go. I'll put the slip down there. The newest addition to shout out Movies and Sue Susan. Thank you so much for these movies. I had not seen these movies before. By the Phoenix family, yes, I have. But this one, no, I do not see or watch this yet. And it says, "Oh, you dear God." It's me, Margaret. Based on the Judy something book and then loved by millions. So here's the spine. Spine on the front end. Here is the back. Thank you for Lionsgate again. If you want to read the abscesses, pause the movie, zoom in. The abscesses is right there. And this one is 106 minute movie. Let's go ahead and see. If you notice, it's a Blu-ray. Let me go ahead and toss this on the floor. Just a few minutes. There you go. Take the plastic off. I will let everybody know how many new Blu-rays and other movies are in my collection. There's not plastic. Just don't want to come off. Really come off. Now it's on the side. Other side. We have a Blu-ray, DVD, and digital. Oh, look at this. We have a 3-way. Here's the digital code. If you want your copy. We have Lionsgate of Are You There, God? It's Me, Margaret. And then we got this side. And then this one right here. Awesome. Thank you. Sorry, I'm moving the camera too much here. Alright, let's see what we have next. Oh, I heard this one has good reviews. Amazing reviews. Along with the other 3 movies I got. This is Joaquin Phoenix. Here, I don't know why I can put just names. Joaquin Phoenix. AKA Leave Phoenix. Beau is Afraid. Masterwork. And guess what? It is. I'm going to show this one right here. It's an A24 Lionsgate. And I have The Whale. A24 as well. Very small sauces. Funny how making viewers afraid. Figurette. 179 minutes. Now some of these are rated R movies, so don't be afraid. Arresting is Spectacular. So, I got this for Physical Mania. Another slip cover for this covers collection. Let's open this and see what we can find out from the inside. I love Joaquin Phoenix along with his older brother, River June. Okay, I heard very good reviews. I hope this one is also good. Crazy. This is just a No artwork, of course, Disco Media. DVD, we had this for Disco Media. Nice, isn't it? Lionsgate, $8.24. Along with Brendan Fraser in the movie of Royale. Next up, let us show off this. I never heard of this movie before. I'm gonna see if it's good. This is Knights of the Zodiac. Unbelievably awesome. I don't know anything about the actors or actresses, but except for Sean Penn, this is a Blu-ray and digital. Front, synopsis. No, that's spine. And of course, the spine again. Here's the back. The battle of the gods has just begun. This movie is actually under 12 minutes. So I hope that this one's a good one. I'll let you know when I get more Arrows movies in. For right now, this is the new releases day. So I kind of hugged a little bit more out today. Ooh. This is like Game of Thrones or something. That is awesome artwork, people. There's the code. You can see it's only one disc. Nice. And then these, none other, we got the book club. In the next chapter, collector's edition, we got Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code. With Diane Keegan, Jane Fonda, Killian Bergen, and Mary Stephen Bergen. Let's try this out. Focus, spine, on the opposite side, and the back, slightly scandalous, totally fabulous. And there you go, guys. PG-13. We have Woman in Italy. Still stylish book club in session with the bonus features. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Another add to the collection, and I'll show off all of these. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, everybody. Please keep going to like and subscribe. Support my channel. Support me. And support my collection. Don't forget to like and comment down below. If I want to make a mess up here, I can. It's not my mom's job to tell me to. Book club, the next chapter. Ooh, look at that. Sorry about the glare, but it's a silver. Here's your digital code. If anyone wants your copy. And on the back. Here's something on the back. Focus Insider. So you want to check out that. And DVD and Blu-ray. It's not cold. This movie is 1 hour and 47 minutes. Here's your synopsis movie. It is PG-13. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for coming to my YouTube, Master of All Movies, DVD Collector. If you got all these, please let me know down in the comment area and tell me what y'all think. I'm going on my trip on the August 4th, Friday of next month. Hopefully my mom is not going to ruin this trip the way she's been acting lately. She's in the mood, of course. She's always been like that, I'm just saying. Anyway, this is not about my mom. This is about love of movies. This is the day that we got movies in. Franchise movies and other titles. Yes. Yes. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Your comments and thoughts down below. And you tell me what y'all think about these. And please tell me what else is coming out of the month of July and part of August. Thank you so much for coming. And I definitely want to let you know when I get more in. So for right now, I'm signing off. I hope everybody having a good rest of your day. Happy Friday. Enjoy your movies. You tell me what movies of these should I watch. I'm anxious. Now some of them, like I said, has only the 4K instead of the Blu-ray. So, I'll see you the next video. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Have a good night. Enjoy your movies and I'll see you later.